Hey everyone, this is Mary from Mindful Movement with Mary, and today we're going to learn how to massage our back using the Coregeous Ball. The Coregeous Ball is part of the role model method system. It's the only air-filled ball in the system, and as you can see, it's quite large. So you can control how inflated or deflated it is. There's a little pin in the ball, and you can control how much air is there. For working the back, I would recommend that you have it about 80 to 90% inflated. All right, so to begin, you're going to place the Coregeous Ball under the upper back, so between the shoulder blades. And I have my hips down on the ground, my feet down on the ground, the knees are bent, and I'm going to hold my head with my hands. And to begin, you could just stay here and support the head with a block or pillow and enjoy this gentle chest opening stretch. It's great for the back, it's great for the shoulders. It's wonderful if you've been sitting at a desk for many hours, so you could always do that. But if you want to do some massage, you're going to begin by lifting the hips up a little bit, pressing into the feet, and rolling the ball up and down the spine. So I'm just rolling up and down the whole back, from the top of the shoulders all the way to the middle of the back, and maybe even the lower back. And it feels so good. It's amazing. And we're working on a lot of superficial tissue here, but don't be fooled. Sometimes working in one area, even superficially, has global effects when we talk about massage. All right, for the second technique, keeping the ball where it is under the upper back. This time you're going to keep the hips on the ground, and we're going to go side to side. So going across the spine now. And the way I do that is I shift my knees to one side and then the other side. And you'll notice that you start to move a little bit up or down your mat, and that's perfectly normal. And the sky is the limit here. You can really roll all the way to the armpit area, get some of the lats involved. It's really beautiful. All right, so finding the ending for that, we'll do one more technique here. Holding the head in the hands, keeping the hips and the feet down. This time you're just going to lower the head back toward the floor and then lift it back up. So lowering and lifting, and what we're doing here is we're working with spinal extension and flexion. So this is really great to mobilize the little spinal joints in the back and encourage healthy joint function. So when you've done it up and down a few times in one area, you're going to press into your feet, roll the ball down another inch or two. So you're in another segment of the spine now, and then go up and back some more. Beautiful. And you can work further and further down, but by the time you get to the mid back, that's probably a good place to stop this technique. Good. And then roll to one side and come all the way up. Notice how you feel. I hope that helps, and I'll see you next time. Namaste.